So hubby and I, because he's laying his ass right there, doing absolutely nothing.
Oh, you look so cute sitting there doing absolutely fucking nothing, bitch! Get your ass up! Get your ass up!
We're getting ready to do a photo shoot of the baby. Of our newborn little pumpkin. His ugly ass. All my kids look like him. So we're going to set up in my room and do a photo shoot. We're going to get this started. It's going to come out so cute. Trying to do Jayceon's photo shoots, and as you can see, my husband has left me. He's not, and so I'm here with baby. Doesn't he look so handsome? So yeah, I ordered this little bed off of Amazon and the little pillow. I had some newborn shots that I wanted to recreate, and I'm actually very excited. I have got some really good photos so far, but I want to get some more, you know what I'm saying? I got a couple of outfits. Well, I have one outfit in particular that I'm going to put him in, and then I also have some blankets that I'm going to wrap him in and take some more pictures, and I have a basket I'm gonna use, and then other than that, I'm gonna take some pictures with all of my boys together, and I have some really cute ideas for that as well. It's been super cold here in Florida. I mean, for some of y'all, you know what I'm saying, 40-50 degrees is not cold, but for us Floridians, we don't like anything that's below 70 degrees. Once it drops to the 60s, technically for us, it's cold. And it hasn't been cold for the past 2 weeks, like since I had my baby. Like right after I had him, I beat the cold. I came home and it's been cold ever since. And typically that's okay with me because that just means I have had so many things to do since Jayceon has been born that I don't mind staying home and being out of the cold weather. However, I did have an idea of a picture shoot that I wanted to do with all my boys, and I wanted to do it at the park. And so it's been cold, and so I can't bring baby outside in the cold. So that kind of sucks a little bit. Alright, so that's it for tonight. We'll probably do some more pictures in the morning because I'm tired, baby's tired. And so, yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching Jayceon's first official photo shoot.
We gotta get some more pictures printed out and put on the wall.
Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are feeling baby Jayceon and the rest of my beautiful family that I absolutely adore, and become part of our family. Thank you guys. Have a good night.